Alright. Okay, sounds good. Alright, I think we're good right now. Alright, first thing we'll do is edit the description. Let's go ahead and AirPlay. I'm gonna be AirPlaying my iPad's screen instead of the iPhone's screen, so expect it to be kind of small. Don't make that dirty. Thanks. I got a notification. Okay. And let me turn on Bluetooth so that we can get a good connection. There we go. LG LMK500. There we go. There it is. It works on the first try. Alright, switching the landscape. There we go. Alright, we are good to start. It's kind of laggy, you can see. But it's good. It's good to start. Yes, I got a lot of stuff on my iPad. Just so much stuff. I use this thing every day. Use this every day. It's just, yeah. Alright, is anyone in here? One watching now. Is anyone in here? Okay, probably lower that. You're watching the stream of the stream of the stream of the stream of the stream. It's a streamception. Don't know why the volume thing showed up. But anyway, yeah. We're good. Alright, let's do this. And let me turn on Do Not Disturb so that we don't get disturbed. And yeah. Alright. Where do we begin? First off, let's go into... Where is it? Can't find the Weebly app. Oh, okay, there we go. I have so many apps on my iPad. It's insane. Unique visits, 1. Are you enjoying it? Yes, I am. Thank you. Sometimes when I go to edit site, it would just stay stuck on the loading thing. But this time it's working. There we go. So, we're gonna add a new page. Also have a hidden page. Top secret. It's about our neon stuff. So anyway, new page. It's gonna be jailbreaks. It's gonna be jailbreaks, no header. SEO settings. Let's change it to tech. Add jailbreaks. The thing that inspired me about this update to the website is because last night, so you probably know that one of my most popular videos right now on my channel is the Odyssey jailbreak video. And last night, the Odyssey team, Coolstar, all those people, besides Ponton, because of course he left the team. But anyway, they released the final release of Odyssey. They released 1.0 and then 1.0.1 to fix some issues. But yeah, so they just released it. So just to celebrate that, let's go ahead and update the website with it. We're gonna update with Odyssey. We're gonna update with jailbreaks from iOS 8.4.1, 32-bit, all the way up to iOS 13.5, actually all the way up to the latest version of iOS. Not iOS 14, but the latest iOS 13 public version, which is 13.6.1. And that's going to be with checkrain. So, yeah, it's going to be an easy way for people to get all the jailbreaks. So, yeah. So, first thing is on my Mediafire. To prepare for this, I have everything set up already. I have the ARM checkrain Linux, ARM64 checkrain Linux, the Mac OS checkrain, i486 checkrain Linux, x86-64 Linux checkrain, Chimera TV, Double Helix, Electra TV, ETA Sun for iOS 8, Helix, and we have Odyssey, Phoenix, Uncover TV, and Uncover. So let me break through this. So checkra1n, all the versions of checkra1n right here are compatible with iOS 12.3 to 13.6.1, and but they're only exclusive to Linux and Mac OS. I think you can run Linux applications on Windows with the Windows subsystem for Linux, but I have not tried it with checkra1n yet. Anyway, we have Chimera and Chimera TV for iOS 12. Yes, you can jailbreak iOS 12 with Chimera TV on your, or tvOS 12 with Chimera TV. We have Double Helix for 64-bit iOS 10 to 10.3.3 devices, not including the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. The 7 and 7 Plus, they don't work with it. Every other device works with it, but the 7 and 7 Plus don't work with it. Anyway, we have Electra and Electra TV for iOS 11 to 11.4.1, and Electra TV for the latest version of tvOS 11, not 12 or 13, 11. Then we have ETA Sun for 32-bit iOS 8.4.1 devices, Helix for 32-bit iOS 10 to 10.3.4 devices, Odyssey for iOS 13 to 13.5, but it's more stable than Uncover. Phoenix for iOS 9 to 9.3.5, 32-bit devices. Uncover TV for tvOS, tvOS I think 11 to 13.5 or whatever version that was. But anyway, I think it's 13.4.1 for tvOS. But anyway, Uncover TV for tvOS basically. And Uncover 5.3.1 for iOS 11 to 13.5, but the main reason why I'm including Uncover is because it actually works with iOS 12 to 12.4.1 to 12.4.8, and Odyssey doesn't. It only works for 13.0 to 13.5. So, yeah, a lot of jailbreaks here, and of course I have the Big Sur, iOS 14, the Jailbreaks used to say, which is the Crazy Can intro music, for those who want it. Neon software wallpapers, the WWDC Retro series, everything here. So, we have everything prepared. First thing, let's go find an image of ETA Sun. Or, is that how you pronounce it, ETA Sun? Yeah. Yeah, it's ETA Sun, I think. Anyway, images. Can we find here, wait. I can't find the official, this one, is this the official ETA Sun? Yeah, I think this is the official ETA Sun thing. The way to do, okay, so first up, let me check the chat, just in case anyone's here. Yep, someone's here, okay. The way to do the, iOS 10 or older, I think, yeah, iOS 10 or older jailbreaks is that you have to use Cydia Impactor. Remember Cydia Impactor? Yes, we're going to use that for iOS 10 and older. And for iOS 11 and later, I think you have to use AltStore. Well, no, I think iOS 13 only AltStore. I don't know. I have to look that up. Wait, can I look it up online here? Let me see. Let's see here. AltStore minimum iOS. Okay, so it can only work from iOS 12.2 or later. So I think for 11.4.1 or older, you have to use Cydia Impactor, and for 12.2 or 12.1.4 or earlier, you have to use Cydia Impactor. 12.2 or later, you have to use AltStore. So there you go. That's how you do it. Anyway, let's go ahead and add an image, or can we? Actually, I have an idea. Let's do this here. Let's create our own image, yeah. Pixelmator. Hopefully don't leak anything. Good. Okay. I'll do a 19.5 by 9 banner. And, well, let's add that. Pretty low quality, but whatever. And let's change that to SF Pro display. Let's say ETA Sun. It's gonna be for iOS 8.4.1, and we're gonna turn 32-bit. Wait, can I see here? There we go. 32-bit devices only. There we go. Alright. And let's just throw a compatibility list here. So it's going to be iPhone 4S, iPhone 2G, iPhone 5, iPhone 5C, iPod Touch 5th generation, and then we elongate that. Oh wait, no, undo. There we go. And make it smooth. There we go. Let me just increase that. There we go. iPod Touch 5th generation as well. iPad 2, iPad 3, or 3rd generation. Did I spell that right? Yeah, 3rd generation. Let me put the parentheses there. Oh, Apple's explained live. Speaking of that, let me turn on Do Not Disturb. On here as well. Do Not Disturb. Can I swipe up? Or just tap? What? Oh, okay. We open up AirPlay. There we go. Okay, we're back. Okay. Parentheses. I'm not focusing on the chat right now. Sorry. There we go. It works. And let me fix that up in a little bit. Okay. iPad 4th generation. There we go. Okay. iPad 4th generation, and oh yeah, I forgot about this one. The iPad, no, I just said iPad mini generation. Alright, there we go. We have it set up. ETA Sun, iOS 8.4.1, 32-bit devices only. Let's copy that to photos. Check in chat. Oh, no one's there. Oh, someone's there. Okay. Alright, we have that. And next up, let's do Phoenix. So, Phoenix Jailbreak. Oh no, not news. There we go. That's a good image. Let's do that. I like the Phoenix icon. I load that up. Alright. Let's get. Alright, I got that. And let's put that right over ETA Sun. Burn over ETA Sun. There we go. Alright. So we have Phoenix. I don't know. Is. Okay, there we go. It's working. Alright. iOS 9.0 to 9.3.6. 32-bit devices only. Yep, iPhone 4S, 5, 5C. Basically the same exact compatibility list. Yeah. iPhone 4S, 5, 5C, iPod Touch 5th generation, iPad 2, iPad 3, iPad 4, iPad mini 1st generation, and copy that to photos. Alright. Now it's the iPad, or no, not iPad. It's the Helix jailbreak. Helix jailbreak. There we go. Helix. Sounds like Felix. They get inspired? Yeah. Right. Helix. There we go. Again, not the best quality, but it works. Anyway, let's get Helix down. Oh. It's over that one. Okay. Oh. Alright, we have Helix. This one is iOS 10.0 to 10.3.4. 32-bit devices only. You have to remove the iPhone 4S because it got dropped with iOS 10. There's still so many clickbaity YouTubers who say, oh, you can get iOS 10 on your iPhone 4S by downloading the profile. And it's the profile to the beta program, which the beta program doesn't work with it. And yeah, when you download it, it's just gonna be stuck in checking for update. And the iPad mini 1st gen, gone. Yeah. Alright, copy the photos. Now we have a double Helix. Double. I remember the day that Helix and double Helix both came out. Or the days that they came out, because I think the day after, or the day that Helix came out, and I think also double Helix, I think the day that it came out, the day before it came out, the first iOS 11 jailbreak came out. So yeah, that was pretty cool. Alright, now we have Helix, but this time it's double. Not double Helix. This time it's 10.3.3 because that was the last iOS 10 update for 64-bit devices. 64-bit devices only. So it's for the iPhone 5S, the iPhone 6, the iPhone 6 Plus, the iPhone 6S, iPhone 6S Plus. Am I writing that right? Yep. Alright. 6S Plus. That's it for the. Actually, no. It's the iPhone SE. The 1st generation, because, of course, the 2nd gen doesn't ship with iOS 10. And I need to see better here. There we go. The iPhone 7 for some reason doesn't work with double helix, but that's whatever. Anyway, the iPod Touch first. iPod Touch. And oh yeah, the iPad Air, the iPad Air first generation, the iPad Air 2, there we go, alright, the iPad 5th generation, kind of the iPad that a lot of people forgot about, but yes, it was an iPad that was released in 2017 with an A9 chip. This is the successor. The device I'm playing from is the successor of that one, which is the 6th generation. Anyway, iPad 5th generation, and let me just do this. Alright, here we go. iPad Mini 2, iPad, let's correct a little bit. iPad Mini 3, iPad Mini 4. Yeah, I think that's it. Those are all the 64-bit devices supported. iPhone 5S, 6, 6 Plus, 6S, 6X Plus, 6X Plus, wow. Oh yeah, I forgot about the iPad Pros. iPad Pro 12.9-inch. The first generation, because there was 4 generations. Oh, I need to add the parentheses there, of course. And the iPad Pro 9.7-inch. There we go. That's a huge compatibility list. Holy. Anyway, copy that to photos. Now, let's do Electra. Probably the most stable iOS 11 jailbreak, which doesn't say a lot because Electra was still very buggy. Like, it took me... Oh, wait, no. Electra Jailbreak. Electra was still very buggy. It, like, every time that I would jailbreak with Electra... Oh, that's the old Electra icon, okay. Every time I would jailbreak with Electra, it took me, like, I don't know, like 20 tries just to get it jailbroken, and then it would crash, and I have to do another 20 times. So, like, it's so hard to do it. Oh my god. Yeah, Electra was very buggy. Then we got Uncover, which was more stable, but hey, I didn't try it at all yet. Anyway. It's going to be iOS 11.0 to 11.4.1, 64-bit devices only, and it's Electra, same compatibility list. What did I just say? Alright, but this time the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus were actually supported. iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 10. There we go. Alright. iPads, these are basically the same, except let's add the 6th gen. Generation. Holy, that's a huge list. That's huge, okay. Let's make it smaller. iPad Pro, wait, I can't see anything. Oh my god, it's huge. Okay. There we go. Now I can see. Okay. iPad Pro 10.5 inch. iPad Pro 12.9 inch. Second generation, which is another forgotten iPad. Yes, Apple updated the 12.9 inch iPad Pro the same day they released the 10.5 inch iPad Pro. Is that it? Is that it? The Electra Jailbreak? That's a lot of devices. Holy. The 5S, 6, 6 Plus, 6S, 6S Plus. Oh, I can't even type there. Right. The SE first gen, the 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, 10, iPad Air 6th generation, iPad Air 1st gen, 2nd gen, or iPad Air 2, iPad Mini 5, or iPad 5, iPad 6, iPad Mini 2, Mini 3, Mini 4, the 1st gen iPad Pro 12.9 inch, the 9.7 inch iPad Pro, 10.5 inch iPad Pro, 12.9 inch iPad Pro, 2nd gen. Okay. That's so many. Save that. Alright, now it's Chimera. Or actually, no, Electra TV. Let's do Electra TV. That's a way smaller compatibility list than this. But because I don't want to delete it, let's hide it. Bye-bye. And let's also delete Helix. Bye-bye. And Electra TV. And let's change it to tvOS. Wait. What was the IPSW? Actually, no, let's check Mac Tracker. tvOS. tvOS 11. Okay, so it went up to 11.4.1. Okay, that's good. Alright, now tvOS 11 to 11.4.1. Medium. And only 2 devices are supported with this. The Apple TV, the Apple TV HD, which was originally called the Apple TV 4th generation, but in March of 2019 they changed it to the HD, so there we go, and the Apple TV 4K, of course. Actually, wait, no, the 4K one is not supported because it doesn't have a USB-C port. But you can still add a micro USB port to it if you hack it up a little bit, so yeah, actually, let's remove that. The 4K one's not supported. Whatever, I'll just Apple TV HD. Alright, there we go. Checking my chat again. Nope, no one's here. Okay. Alright, now we have that. Now, let's do Chimera. Chimera Jailbreak. There we go. Honest opinion, Chimera's UI looks better than Odyssey's UI. But Odyssey's UI looks more cleaner than Uncovers, but Uncovers has a lot more options. And it's more entertaining because we got the verbose. So yeah. Let's remove and to remove the Apple TV one, and let's bring back this huge list of devices. So it's Chimera. Sounds better than Odyssey as well. Sounds more clean. And this is iOS 12.0 to 12. 13.4, 64-bit devices only. Of course. This time, we're gonna add to this huge array of devices. Let's add the iPhone. The iPhone XS. iPhone 10. 10. Okay. 10S Max. iPhone 10R. iPad Pro 11-inch. Let me make it more viewable for me. There we go. iPad Pro 11-inch. iPad Pro 12.9-inch. Third generation. Also, the iPad Mini 5th generation. And the iPad Air 3rd generation. Alright, there we go. That's so many devices. Oh my god. iOS 12 had probably the most amount of devices supported. Like before. This is huge. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's copy that to photos. Tell me if I missed any devices that are compatible with iOS 12. No? Okay. Alright, camera. Now, TV. Camera TV. Alright. tvOS 12. Okay, so up to tvOS 12.4. Okay, very good. Camera TV. tvOS 12.4. 12.4. Let's hide this once again. And this again. Once again, this is only going to be the Apple TV HD. There we go. Copy that. There we go. Alright, camera TV. Now it's uncover. Uncover. Let's do uncover. So uncover. There we go, that was easy to find one. Alright. Let's delete this one. And guess what? We're gonna have an even bigger array of devices. So, because there's some idea, apparently, Pump thought it was a good idea to add support for iOS 11 all the way to 13.5. Just kidding, it's a good idea. More device support. So iOS 11 to 13.5. 64-bit devices only, of course. So now, this is huge. Alright. iPhone 11. iPhone 11 Pro. iPhone 11. Oh shoot, I realized. Okay. Wait. Let me. I realized that I need to add the iPod Touch 7th generation to the list. Touch. Copy out the photos. Okay, now let's do Uncover. There we go. Uncover is probably one of the most hyped up jailbreaks of the entire year. Especially Uncover 13.5. Anyway, now we have a bigger list. Okay. Whew, that's huge. Alright. iPhone. Not an iPhone. Okay, keep it order. iPhone 11. iPhone 11 Pro. Pro Max. iPhone SE. Second generation. Here we go. And again, shrink that down. And oh my god. Oh yeah. Alright. This time let's add the iPad 7th generation. You see, this is how big of a list that is. You see the iPad Pro 12.9-inch 3rd generation, and you see the line right there? It's dropping below the line. That's how big the list of support devices is for this. Anyway, okay, now it's fixed. But oh my god, this iPad's kind of getting slow. Kind of. I'm thinking of getting the. Oh wait, did I? Whatever. It's whatever. I don't care about the errors anyway. iPad Pro 11-inch 2nd generation. iPad Pro 12.9-inch 4th generation. You know, I honestly thought back in 2016, for the 2017 iPad Pros, or maybe later in 2016, I honestly thought that they might actually introduce a 15.9-inch iPad. Yeah, that would be a kind of good idea, a 15-inch iPad. I mean, that would actually be kind of like an iMac. Like, imagine an iMac, but you take the screen off and then you put iPad OS on it. The A14X Bionic chip or whatever. Thinner bezels, Face ID. Remove the stand, of course. Make it very thin. Add USB-C ports. quad speakers, of course, and FaceTime camera, that's way better, of course. Um, Camera on the back, because the iMacs don't have cameras on the back, and just like so much more. The iPad, it gives the iPad treatment, and then there we go. This is the Eiffel Tower of devices. That's how many devices this jailbreak supports. Holy. Yeah. Anyway, let's save that to photos. Anyway, now, finally, let's do Odyssey and then Checkra as well. So, let's go over here. I think if you search up Odyssey Jailbreak on Google, I think, yep, right there. My video is the first thing that shows up when you search Odyssey Jailbreak. Well, not the first thing that shows up, the first video that shows up, yeah, is the Odyssey Jailbreak video that I made. That's funny. Alright. Let's go over here. Odyssey photo, of course, it's much simpler. Whatever. The simpler one looks better. Now, thankfully with Odyssey, well, not really thankfully, because it's more stable on cover, but it supports less devices. Yeah, the good thing about Odyssey is for us in this case, because there's a huge list of devices, is that it supports less devices. But that's kind of a bad thing, because the A7 devices, A7, A8 devices, besides the iPad Mini 4, yeah, those are not supported. Alright, there we go. And let's remove the 6th generation. There we go. Also the Air 1st generation. The thing that surprised me about iPadOS 14 is the iPad Air 2 is still supported. It's still... name another tablet. Name another device. Name another mobile device that has been supported for... Oh, shoot, I'm at 15% battery. Alright, name another mobile device besides laptops, of course. Name another mobile device that's supported for 7 years non-stop. I tried iPadOS 14 on the iPad Air 2. It is slightly slower than 13, but it's still amazing. That's amazing that Apple's still supporting a device that's 7 years later. They don't stop supporting devices just because they feel like it. They support them. They support them because they know it's compatible. Yeah. Anyway. Is that it? And, oh yeah, I realized. This is not Uncover, this is Odyssey, so 13.0 on Odyssey. There we go. So let's go here. Alright, now finally the last, but certainly not least, probably one of the best jailbreaks out there. Well, there's 3 good jailbreaks right there, out there, but Checkra. I tried Checkra a couple times. It's amazing, but the thing is that it's only supported with Linux and Mac OS. I only have a Windows computer, but I installed it. I installed Linux on it, and I tried it out. I tried out Checkra, and it worked. So yeah. Alright, we're gonna do this one. It's gonna be check rain. What I want to do, speaking of Linux, I really want to enter this command, sudo rm-rf applications times years 2020, enter password alligator 3 and enter, boom, 2020 is gone. I just really want to do that. Alright, 12.3 to latest. 64 devices only, of course, and it's going to be A7 to A11 devices only. There we go. This checkmate exploit is insane, though. Like, the checkmate exploit, like, it's insane. Like, first off, it's a jailbreak for every single device. It's a jailbreak for like every device. That's A7 to A11, and they're supported forever. The Apple can't patch this because it's a hardware thing. And the only way that they can fix it is that if they change up the hardware, which it looks like they won't. And so this is amazing. So that's very cool. But another thing that's very cool is that it allows for dual booting iOS devices. It allows for running Android on iOS devices. It allows for like Linux on iOS devices. It allows for so much more that is insane. Like, I was not expecting this to happen. I thought it was just gonna be another jailbreak, but no, way more than that. Alright, let's move all the A12 devices and A13 devices, because, yeah, A12 and A13 are not supported with this. So yeah, there we go, that's done. Let's also add back the iPhone. Wait, what? I selected the middle. There we go. Wait, what? What? This is so glitchy. What the? This is so glitchy. Like, what? Okay, there we go. Oh, wait, undo. Alright. iPhone 5S, iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, of course. Also, the activation lock, it allows for you to unlock activation lock devices. With some limitations, but if you jailbreak and then install a couple tweaks, then you can bypass those things. For some reason, the activation lock thing, I tried to do an activation lock device on the Linux version of CheckRain. Fortunately, it doesn't work. Looked up every tutorial I can find, and yeah, it doesn't work for some reason. Whatever. Anyway, I remember. I think the CheckRain team said that the secure enclave has been bypassed. I think, I don't know. But yeah, from what I know, everything from the A12 and later, yeah, the secure enclave has a secure enclave, which means that they are almost unhackable. Almost. Anyway, iPad Air version. First off, let's just. Alright, there we go. There we go. and iPad. I remember when the iPad lineup was actually pretty cluttered. It started with the iPad Mini 2, then the Mini 4, so they discontinued the Mini 3, and then it went up to the iPad Air 2, then it went up to the iPad Pro 9.7-inch, then it went up to the iPad Pro 12.9-inch. So it's kind of confusing there, because you had the iPad Mini 2 and the Mini 4, so you might be wondering, well, where's the Mini 3? So they discontinued it. Then you have the iPad Air 2. It's like so many devices, but before it was even more cluttered. It was like iPad Mini 2, iPad Mini 4, iPad Air 2, iPad Pro. Actually, it wasn't that cluttered before. And in 2014, it was iPad Mini, iPad Mini 1, iPad Mini, iPad Mini 2, iPad Mini 3, iPad Air 2. Actually, that was it. It's not really that cluttered. Right now, it's not really cluttered. Or actually, no, it's pretty cluttered right now. You have the iPad, the base iPad, which is one most people will buy. Then you have the iPad Mini, which is smaller than the base iPad, but it's faster, thinner, and laminated screen, and almost a better screen. And you have the iPad Air 3rd generation, which kind of combines both the base iPad and the Mini 2, or not the Mini 2, the iPad Mini, and combines them into one, and it fixes all the issues. Then you have the iPad Pros, the Pro 12 or the Pro 11-inch, which the Pro 11 and 12.9-inch, of course, are the best iPads you can buy. But at the same time, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sizes. You have 5 sizes of displays. You have, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you have 5 sizes of displays. You have 2 different ports. You have Lightning and USB-C. You have 2 pencils, the 1st gen Apple Pencil and the 2nd gen. You have 2 different types of biometrics. You have Touch ID and Face ID. You have different prices. There is the A10, A12, the A12Z, and so many different things. It's so cluttered right now. Might not be as many devices as we had back in 2016, but yeah, it's still pretty cluttered. And let's remove these devices. And let's see here. I need to add a couple of devices back. So the 6th gen iPod Touch, yes. The thing that confuses me is that the iPod Touch, the max storage you can get for the iPod Touch is 256 gigabytes, but the max storage you can get for the base iPad is 128 gigabytes. Why? First off, why do you need 256 gigs on the iPod Touch? And secondly, 128 gigs is kind of the sweet spot. But why would you need 256 gigabytes on an iPod Touch? It's weird. I don't know why you need that much on an iPod. Just discontinue the 256 gig iPod Touch, and then introduce a 256 gig base iPad. That would make more sense. Yeah. Anyway. And laminated screen on the base iPad, because I hate hearing that sound, and the reflectivity on the screen is very terrible, and this screen gets a lot more fingerprints than the laminated screens. It's just bad. Anyway, I think I added all devices here, yeah. Oh yeah, I need to add this one as well. I need to add this. OS and... And also check on our chat again. Before we add everything to the website, we have all the pieces together. Oh, okay. Okay, I didn't, okay, I wasn't keeping up on the chat, sorry. But anyway, we have, we have all the pieces together. We have all of the pieces together. We have, so jailbreaks we have ETA Sun, or however you pronounce that. We have Phoenix, we have Helix, we have Double Helix, we have Electra, we have Electra TV, we have Chimera, we have Chimera TV, we have Uncover, wait, I forgot to add Uncover TV, but we have Uncover, we have Odyssey, we have Checkbrain, we have everything. Do you want Checkbrain? We got it. Do you want Odyssey? We got you covered, baby. Do you want Uncover? Easy. Go to our website today. Yeah. So yeah, we have all the pieces together. Wait, one more thing. Let's go ahead and undo all the way back to Uncover. Oh, I can't undo any further. That's a problem. Okay, so let's remove Checkbrain. Let's delete this entire huge array of devices. And we're gonna change this to, wait, I realized something. Okay, whatever. Okay. We're gonna change this to Uncover TV. tvOS, I think it's 11.0 to... Wait, what was the... I think it was 13.4.1 for tvOS? Yeah, 13.4 for TV... Oh, 13.4.5 for tvOS. Okay. Alright, there we go. So now we have all the pieces together. Let's do it. It's time to start cooking. That's just... Okay. Just need to look at that. Alright. Alright. Alright, Chimera. I'm wondering if there's a watchOS 6 jailbreak. Like, can you jailbreak the Apple Watch? Specifically, watchOS 6. Anyway, Chimera. Let's do Uncover. Still the hugest list in the world. Yeah. Download. Uncover. IPA. So now it's Uncover TV. Sec. Alright, we're back. Alright. Is it unmuted? Alright, we're good. Alright, now let's drag over the button. And Odyssey. And now Checkra. Checkra's gonna have the most, because there's multiple platforms. Yeah. First one is download Check Rain Mac OS. Download Check Rain Mac OS. Hang on a minute. I just realized. Does Check Rain and Uncover have this in common? Check Rain has a number in place of the I, which is a 1, and Uncover has a 0 instead of an O. 0 and 1 are binary numbers. So is this gonna lead up to something different? I don't know. Just conspiracy. Alright. Yeah. Download Check Rain Mac OS. Download Check Rain Linux. Download Check Rain. That's gonna be x86. Wait, no, it's x86 64 Linux. Download checkrain x86 64 Linux. Download checkrain ARM Linux. Wonder if the ARM version will work with the Raspberry Pi, or the ARM 64 version will work with the Raspberry Pi, or the ARM 64 version will work with the Apple Silicon. Anyway, download checkrain ARM 64 Linux and download checkrain i486 Linux. So many versions of the checkrain. Yeah. You have x86 64 Linux, ARM Linux, ARM 64 Linux, i486 Linux, checkrain Mac OS. So many. Anyway, we have everything there, so now let's get the download links. First off, let's go to the media file. And let's do this one. Alright. Alright, Electra. Odyssey. Now the hard one. Not really. Alright. Almost done. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's change order as well. Version 2.2.0. Getting so many notifications. Okay. Okay. This gaming setup is incredible, Linus. Anyway, all your setups are incredible. Anyway, 8/29/2020, the cursed year, and added new actually, wait, no, I shouldn't say added new, added back jailbreak to the page with the following jailbreaks: ETA Sun, Phoenix. Is that you say Phoenix? Yeah, pretty sure that's okay. Phoenix, Helix, double helix, Electra Chimera, Uncover, Odyssey, check rain. Alright. There we go. Change logs. Alright. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. We have the new jailbreaks tab. We have the... Oh, what the heck? That's not the photo I chose. And an image. What the... That's not the photo I chose for Uncover TV. Okay, I don't know what the heck was up with that. Alright, preview. Alright, everything looking good. See here, this is on the desktop. On mobile, there's no point of going to the jailbreak tab on mobile. This jailbreak tab is mostly for desktop. This jailbreak tab is mostly for desktop, unless if you want to re-download Uncover, or if you want to re-download Chimera or Electra or Helix, Double Helix, and download them via like Filesa. My Echo Dot just turned off. Yeah, or Filesa or Reprovision or Old Store. Yeah, you can do that. Alright. Let's do this. We're going to publish at 12:10 a.m. or p.m. 12:10 p.m. for my time zone, the Central Time Zone. Yeah. Let's just wait for that. In the meantime, I have these Bluetooth wireless headphones that I'll just take out of the box just because. Oh, there's some tape. Let's do it before 12:10. Looks like that's it. Charger, headphones, instructions, who needs those? When we have knowledge. Yeah. What is this? Oh, it's a bag. They include a bag. That's cool. User manual. Kind of know everything. They don't call me the tech god or nothing. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Anyway, I'm not the most smartest a lot of times. So I include an aux cable as well. I kind of need an aux cable, so they include that. And another micro USB cable. I already have like a million of those. Or is that a micro USB? I'm pretty sure it's micro USB. One way to find out. And yeah, it's micro USB. Okay. Kind of look like USB-C, but anyway. Here we go. We're about to publish the new website. Let's go ahead. Actually, let's go to my iPhone SE. The one with iOS 14. The device get Alright, here we go. We're about a minute away from launching the new website update. Your channel. Let's take a look at the chat. Yeah, there's no one in the chat. Anyway, we are... Alright, here we go. 30 seconds away from launching this new website. I could launch it right now, but I just wanted to be more suspenseful. Alright, 20 seconds away. Less than 20 seconds away. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It has been published. There we go. The new website update's now live, so let's go here. Oh god, it's very glitchy. It's very glitchy though. Okay, I should probably fix that first. Let me go back. Done. Alright, let me fix this up. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna remove the front cover page, or picture. Publish. There we go, okay. Everything looks good. Let's take a look here. ETA's on. Looking good. Threats may expire on your Mac. It's an iPad. Yep, everything looks good. Alright. New website updates live. If you want some easy jailbreaks to download, you have it right there. Oh, you'll join later. Okay. So yeah, there we go. New website updates out. You can go right here. And everything's good. So that's it. That's it. We got the website up. Everything looks good. So let's go ahead and stop airplaying. Stop mirroring. There we go. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.